Hello, Maarten Voorhuis from Sparckel. We are the light that makes you feel alive. For better sleep, a sharper concentration and a brighter mood, humans, creatures from nature, need outdoor daylight. But because we're in buildings all the time, we're lacking and we're missing out. So regular light is sleepy light. And we solve that by bringing a very powerful light. What you see now is when it's off, it's, let's say, biological darkness. But the green heart, then I get Las Vegas time. It's now 12 o'clock in the afternoon, almost. So we get a bright light, and this really wakes me up. I'm more concentrated, making less mistakes, so I'm more successful at my work. At the end of the day, however, we should wind down. So this light is automated and going to a relaxed setting. As you can see, it's becoming yellowish, either amber colored. So that puts us on the on mode during the day and on the off mode in the evening. Light, the right light at the right time. Scientifically proven, people sleep longer and deeper and have a better mood. So if you want to feel alive, you need more daylight, you need a sparkle, the light that makes you feel alive. Thanks for your attention.